Welcome to the best picks. The best JD2 Tube Bender is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tube bending machines on the market, offering a perfect blend of power, precision, and ease of use for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on intricate metalwork projects or tackling large-scale industrial applications, this machine ensures clean, consistent bends every time, saving you time and effort while delivering exceptional results. Number 5. Ratcheting Tube Bender Kit. This kit is a professional tool for bending copper and other soft metal tubing. It's perfect for various applications, from refrigeration to plumbing. It's ideal for sanitary and heating installations, floor heating, refrigeration, air conditioning, and hydraulic systems. You'll find it useful in many situations. This kit handles pipes ranging from 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch in outer diameter. 7 different heads ensure a perfect fit for your project. The kit comes with everything you need: a tubing bender, fixed supports, 7 bender heads, a pipe cutter, and a convenient carrying case. It's ready to go right out of the box. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. The pipe cutter even includes a deburring tool for a clean finish. The durable plastic case keeps everything organized and protects your tools. The built-in handle makes it easy to transport to any job site. A user manual is included to guide you through the process. You'll be bending tubing like a pro in no time. What we like. It features a ratcheting mechanism for smooth bending and comes with 7 interchangeable heads to handle various pipe sizes. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for on-site work. If you need a versatile and portable tubing bender for various plumbing and refrigeration jobs, this is the one for you. What people say. I've put a lot of bends in with this tool set. Works perfectly. Used for 7/8 refrigerant lines. Great bends, worked as it should. Very aesthetic look, design well. It has detailed instruction. I tried some common sizes, all worked perfect well without damage to the tubing. Easy to use, excellent quality. Number 4. KAKA SBG 40 Metal Bender. This is the KAKA SBG 40 Heavy-Duty Universal Bender, built for superior performance and versatility. It's perfect for shaping a wide range of materials. With 28 to 12 tons per square inch of bending power, it easily handles steel, iron, and other metals. It's a powerful tool for any metalworking project. It offers scroll, radius, and angle bending capabilities, giving you maximum flexibility to create intricate shapes. You can achieve a wide variety of designs with ease. It's ideal for creating fences, gates, railings, and more. Its precision and power make it perfect for detailed ornamental work. The wide base ensures stability and safety during operation. It's designed to help you work confidently and avoid accidents. It's compatible with steel, iron, wrought iron, brass, copper, and aluminum. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. What we like. This heavy-duty bender handles various metal types and bending styles. Its wide base ensures stability and safety during operation. If you're working with heavy-duty materials and need a robust, safe bender for large-scale projects, this is your best choice. What people say. Works as expected out of the box. Highly configurable. I always customize tools according to need. This too provides a rugged base upon which you can add custom fixtures and jigs. For example, a custom center roller die. The UB100 is a powerful tool and it produces an enormous amount of torque, so it needs to be securely mounted to a strong non-movable base. Because I am in the old-school frame of mind when it comes to tools, I like this bender's quick and simple adjustments which allow me to make consistent bends within plus 0.1 degree. Additionally, multiple dies are included, and they add a great deal of versatility. This bender can make very tight radius bends to less than 1/16 inch of where you need it without much setup at all, and if you take your time with marking and measuring a test bend and transfer those marks to your work, bends are right on the money each time. Number 3. KAKA TR40 Tube Bender. This is the KAKA TR40, a heavy-duty manual tube bender built for precision and durability. It's designed to handle various materials and shapes with ease. It can handle tubes up to 1 to 1/2 inches in diameter and 14 gauge thickness. This makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. It easily bends mild steel, copper, and aluminum square and rectangular tubes. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for any workshop. It features multiple passes to ensure accurate and consistent bends every time. This helps you achieve professional-looking results. It boasts a hardened steel top plate and a chain drive for the bottom rolls, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Its manual operation makes it simple to use, even for beginners. You'll be bending tubes like a pro in no time. What we like. It's designed for bending square and rectangular tubes, featuring a durable construction. The manual operation provides precise control. If you're working with square or rectangular tubing and need a durable, manual bender for precise control, this is the ideal option. What people say. I had some 1x2x3/6 that I needed to roll, so I put the lock rings to the sides and then set T1x2 rectangle tube between the two sides and slide into with no pressure. Great, tighten the screw down, one turn, started rolling. It worked out well with no clasping of tube, only where I started and stopped back and forth between the two ends. Rolled it up 3 inches for a rocking chair bench. Making it easy. Heavy duty, functions well. I needed to radius square tubing for my driveway wall. This unit made short work of my need. I am not a metal worker, I just had at home do-it-yourself need. This fit the bill perfectly. The bender appears to be well built. It bends the curves easily, just don't rush it, as I'm positive you will link the material if you do. Number 2. Mophorn Pipe Bender. This is the Mophorn Pipe Bender, your solution for bending various metal pipes. It's designed for ease of use and durability. It effortlessly bends pipes ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 inch in diameter. This makes it incredibly versatile for a wide range of projects. With 7 different dies included, you can create precisely the bends you need. Each die is made from high-quality steel for long-lasting performance. Built from robust carbon steel, it's designed to handle even the toughest materials. The heavy base ensures stability during use. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store. Despite its portability, it provides ample bending force for efficient work. From repairing fences to creating custom metalwork, it's suitable for various applications. It's ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. This bender comes with 7 dies for various pipe sizes and is made from heavy-duty steel for long-lasting use. It's perfect for bending various metal types. If you need a robust and versatile bender for various metal types and sizes, this is a great option. What people say. I used this to build a motorcycle luggage rack for my Moto Guzzi. This is a quality tool that just works. The maximum size tubing is 1 inch 25 mm, and the maximum wall thickness for steel tube is 0.08. Sure enough, the tube I had to bend was at the max limit. Normally tube this large would be bent with a hydraulic press, but after mounting the bender to a work table that was anchored to a wall and then applying every last bit of strength I could muster, I was able to make 90-degree bends in 2 tube sections. So it was difficult, but smaller tube and thinner tube walls would be much easier. Despite the difficulty, the results were good. The bends were smooth and there were no flat spots. I was at first skeptical after reading many reviews on similar products. This heavy item came in a sturdy wooden box within the cardboard. My delivery lady was struggling. I own a metal bender and a roll bender and even made a flat bar roller bender myself, so this was a breeze to assemble. Mounted to my work table and in no time successfully made multiple bends in a piece of 0.75 inch EMT conduit. The dies are heavy cast iron and smooth, not like machine dies but quite nice. Don't hesitate, just buy this item as it's a low risk if you don't like it. Number 1. Woodward Fab Tube Bender WFB2. This is the Woodward Fab Tube Bender, model WFB2. It's built for efficiency and precision in bending tubing and pipe. It features a robust design, ensuring it can handle demanding jobs. You'll appreciate its durability and long-lasting performance. Get accurate bends every time. It's designed for precision, minimizing errors and maximizing efficiency. This bender is surprisingly user-friendly. Even with complex bends, it's simple to operate and get great results. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. From small projects to large-scale jobs, it's the perfect tool for the task. Woodward Fab is known for quality and reliability. This bender is a testament to that commitment, built to last. What we like. Known for its precise bending capabilities and durable construction, it ensures efficient workflow. This bender is ideal for professionals who need accuracy and efficiency. If you value precision and durability in your bending projects, this is the one to choose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.